morning, everyone. That's what it looks like outside. Today is February 2nd, 2022, and I don't know what the temperature is outside, but apparently it's supposed to snow today based on the weather forecast, so we'll see. But yeah, it's very gray. That's the sky trade. And yeah, not much going on today. It's Wednesday, so midweek. I've put out the chicken that I'm going to cook later on, and we're just gonna have some butter chicken at night. It's easy, it's quick, and the reason why I say it's easy is because we just put that on there. Yeah, so we'll see if we keep vlogging today. Might be tomorrow. Alright, so it's 12:05. The forecast earlier said that it was going to snow at 12, so look at that. Snowing. Pretty big snow. Pretty big drops of snow. Although this snow is probably not going to stay because it is warmer in Vancouver, and tomorrow it's supposed to be raining instead of snowing, so this is just kind of like a random thing that happens once in a while. But yeah, that's all. Right on time. At 12. Okay, update you later. This is going to stop soon too. It doesn't really stay. But apparently it's supposed to snow until the rest of the evening and then full on rain. So we'll see. Probably going to stop in a few hours or something. Alright, friends. Tonight's dinner is just butter chicken. So butter chicken and chicken. Yeah, pretty easy. You just cut this up, season it, I guess. Put it on the pan, fry it for a little bit, and then add the sauce. We don't have any other, what's it called? The sour cream or whipped cream to put on there to make it more creamier. So it's just going to be this. We bought this at Costco. It came in a pack of 2, and I think it was only $8. So yeah, I think we're only gonna be using half of this probably, and then chicken. There's 3. Usually there's only 2, and there's 3 because bought one for the next day. So look at, I don't know what that is. Hopefully it's not salmonella or something. But yeah, I'm gonna get cooking. tried it. Tastes pretty good, but we'll wait for Kat to get home and then she can tell us if it actually is good or not.
Hi guys! Okay, so ang funny kasi kanina sa downtown, after kong bumaba sa work, nag-try ako mag-record para makita nyo yung view. Pero ang feel kasi hindi pala ako naka-record. Hindi nyo nakita yung view, sayang. But anyways, pauwi na tayo ng bahay. And naglalakad tayo. Meron namang bus pero mas pinili ko maglakad. So, ayun. Kita-kits. Hi guys! Nasa labas na tayo ng building. Pero bago ako pumasok, gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo kung gaano kadilim today. So, kahapon, ang ganda ng araw. Ngayon, sobrang makulimlim, tsaka nag-wet snow. Ewan ko kung nakikita niyo yung wet snow, pero nag-wet snow ngayon dito. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo pag akyat natin yung yung sa taas. Pero siguro naman na vlog na yun ni Kim kanina. Pero gusto ko lang makita nyo dito sa labas din sa baba. Ayan. Okay, ayan na guys, yung view dito sa taas ng bahay. Yung kanina pinakita ko sa inyo yung sa baba yun. Pero makalimlim pa rin masyado. Ayan. Nasa loob na pala ako ng bahay. And si Kim, nakaluto na. Our ulam for tonight is cheddar butter chicken. Very nice.
We don't have rice.
Okay, magsasaing muna ako.
Hi guys! So, I think that's it for today. Medyo hindi masyadong mahaba yung vlog natin.
Or may laman.
Or may laman, yes. Pero, actually, yung purpose lang naman kasi talaga ng vlog natin is to update our families. Kasi, medyo malayo sila sa akin. Especially, yung family ko andun sila sa Philippines. Ayun, yung family team nasa so this is our way or one way of updating them sa mga daily activities namin. Pero yes, so hi, hello sa family ko sa Philippines. Especially sa mama ko na nanonood lagi. But yes, so siguro maghahanap pa kami ng ibang content or ibang gagawin sa vlog na para maalin naman kayo or makita nyo naman na okay lang kami. So I think yeah, that's it. Mamaya mag-ready na kami for dinner